Tell me, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Daddy, wait now.
I cannot wait any longer. Who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Daddy, see.
Come, it's not if you're acting.
What do you want me to see? You're joking.
She's only telling me one time.
Wait now.
I use this shoe. Use this shoe. Read her very well. That's how she be doing anyhow.
Don't stay out of this bag.
Who is responsible?
Daddy, wait. I'll talk.
Daddy, better. That's how she be doing.
I'm listening.
Daddy, is Bill Gates' son.
Bill what? Bill what?
Bill Gates' son now.
My daughter. You are the real daughter of your father. You have done very well. You have done very well. Hey, you over there. I don't even know your use. You see that thing you're carrying between your legs? I will still cut it off because it has no use. See Dangote's daughter moving up and down. Small boys are just doing something better than you. I don't know why you cannot be like me. See me. I have done very well, and that is why my daughter is doing very well. You have done very well, my daughter. You have done well. By the end of this year, if you don't get me a good result, I will deal with you. Rubbish boy. I just following Keshusela up and down. Nonsense.
What's all this now? Kai, I don't like this thing you're doing. Just stop it. Stop beating her now. Maybe just stand up and beg. It's not nice. Try to be a good father. You know you will not be using your sense. Let's be going. You don't be behaving anyhow.